Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we stay here doing a group huddle. We're gonna do another Baba huddle. And that's Kiara. She likes to just jump in my videos sometimes. Yeah. And yeah, this is the team Baba right here. Let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I got downtown. That's right, downtown Chinatown. Oh my goodness, it's been a while. We about to do this. Let's go. So I'm in downtown. It's weird. Like, bruh, it feels so weird being in downtown again, but it's good, refreshing. I'm gonna be honest, bro. Freaking downtown elevators have upgraded like big time. You just press the number at the lobby and you go up to that floor. Come back. Delivered to the post office. Interesting, but yeah. At least some areas are the same, but some have like moved to a different building. Yep, downtown is still the same. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done for the night, but you know, I'm gonna be closing again. But yeah, downtown was crazy today. It was pretty hectic, but not as hectic as it should be. But it's good to be back in downtown. I haven't delivered there since like long time. But yeah, big shout out to the Baba team. Let's go. All in all though, my message for the day is take it easy. You know, sometimes things happen. Sometimes, you know, they don't go according to plan, but just take it easy. Take a step back, take a breather. And you know, I guess see what you can do to make changes, but don't try and force things because sometimes it's gonna get worse. So yeah, take it easy. You guys have a good night. Till next time.